Purple Pretzel. Hello everyone, I'm back, it's Purple Pretzel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Minion Squishy. And we're only going to use paint and our foam cushion, and that's pretty much it. So let's just show you guys what it's about. Oh yeah, I also use glitter too. Alright, let's get started. And that's how you make a Minion Squishy. So I'm going to show you guys some of the paint that I use in case you were wondering. I get this paint from Walmart. It's really cheap. It's usually like $1. Sometimes it's $2. And that's the blue. And I got my glitter from the back of Walmart, and it was only, I think, maybe $3, and I got a huge pack with all kinds of colors. And here's the gloss. Once I'm finished with the squishy, I put gloss all over it so that it's nice and protected. And here's a Shopkin. This is just so you guys can see how big the squishy is. So if you have a Shopkin at home, you'll know just about how big this Minion is. Let's see, what else do I have here? Oh, here, I'll show you one of my Disney princesses so you can see that too, just in case you don't have a Shopkin. And this one is a giant Shopkin, which I made a few weeks ago. I used clay and paint, so it's really, really huge. And that's what it looks like compared to the other Shopkin. Bye guys, see ya! Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, see ya! Hey guys! Click the purple pretzel in the middle of the screen to become a friend and subscribe. And you can click one of the videos on the screen to go to a random mystery video.